Perform Wall Panel Systems. Freedom in design from the ground up. Perform Wall is a state-of-the-art building system that is used for all types of construction. Some of our commercial customers include the Arizona Game and Fish Department, the National Park Service, the Department of Interior, the U.S. Postal Service, City of Phoenix Fire Department, Embotelladora de la Frontera, and Embotelladora de Chihuahua, Coca-Cola bottlers, and several industrial buildings for companies such as Harman International and Johnson Controls. Our state-of-the-art plants are inspected and approved by the Underwriter Laboratories, UL. The panels are molded in 2 parts and then machined to precise thickness. Perform Wall is made from 85% recycled styrofoam. When Sony uncrates their components, such as TVs and VCRs, they create an abundance of foam that would normally go to landfills and get buried forever. Perform Wall intercepts that foam and mixes it with cement and creates brand new building blocks. So instead of clear-cutting an acre of forest and hurting the environment to build your project, we are using recycled materials. The panels are set on racks and allowed to cure. Then the panels are milled to assure proper thickness and the 2 halves are joined together. Because the foam is post-consumer, there is no outgassing. The American Lung Association even chose this material manufactured at our plants to build with. The panels come 8.5 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches in thickness. You have a choice of either 15 inches or 30 inches high. We also have 2-inch and 4-inch flat panels. We have several well-stocked yards to serve you. Our suppliers are full-service suppliers and would be happy to load you up. If you want, we will even unload at your site for you, or you can do it yourself. The panels are banded for easy unloading. Perform Wall allows precise workmanship. Perform Wall can easily be shaped with a rasp. We are happy to work with you on the engineering of your project. We are looking for long-term relationships with our customers. Even the most difficult jobs are made easy. Easy, that is, for Perform Wall. Our customers truly enjoy the comfort and satisfaction they get when building with Perform Wall. Perform Wall's geometric design makes any project easy, from Santa Fe to contemporary. Your only limit is your imagination. Perform Wall suppliers offer on-the-job training for you or your employees. We will even send someone to work with you and your crew at your site. 2 men can easily stack the 10-inch panels, weighing about 147 pounds. The rebar is then placed in the cells. No need to tie it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Mark it with a nail or keyhole saw. Cut it with a handsaw, sawzall, or chainsaw. Stack in place. And check it for plumb, then glue it. Drop in the rebar and fill it with concrete. It's just that easy. End elements are used for window and door jambs, or they can be cut to make corners. Staples are used to secure corners. Also, very little bracing is needed as the weight is just right for lifting and it will stay in place when you grout it. Just check it for plumb. Looks good. Grouting the walls or filling with concrete is easy to do. With hardly any bracing, the wall fills up fast. The 2,500 pounds per square inch grout and an 8-inch slump flows easily through the cavities, making the wall 700% stronger than 2x4 construction. Various size cranes can be used on larger projects. Just set it in place.
My name is Keith Sabia. I'm a project superintendent with FCI Constructors. I've been a project superintendent now for FCI for over 8 years. This is my first fire station and my first experience with Perform Wall. One of the things that I like about it and I enjoy about it is it virtually eliminates the use of scaffolds that are used in concrete block building. On all their high walls, they'll do their erection with a crane. Tends to make it a cleaner project, and it's a safer environment for working around. Throughout the course of the project, the electrician, the plumber, the mechanical guys, and even my exterior finishers all enjoyed working with the system. It provides them with a nice substrate to adhere to, and it also makes roughing in pipes and conduits a lot easier. As you can see on this project, we have had several different ways of roughing in electrical. And if you can look up here, we've had conduit that was literally installed in the wall prior to grouting the Perform Wall. Here we have a situation where we had an additional box added to the plans, and as you can see, it's an easy routing system for us to just chase out. You can see some blocking on the wall right here. This is for a TV bracket. This right here is for a visual display board that'll go in later. This blocking was just installed a couple of days ago. All we did was we routed out the opening to provide a new 2x4 in there, so we have a strong mounting, a strong backing for the mounting of the visual display board. The Perform Wall system here provides us with a proper substrate for us to directly apply our base coat on. It virtually eliminates the use of chicken wire, the use of insulation with an EFIS system. We'll apply this base coat and then we'll come back and directly apply the synthetic finish on top of it, eliminating a couple of steps in the process of providing a true EFIS system.
Here are a few of our completed projects. Again, any design is possible. With Perform Wall, you can make a very soft-looking Santa Fe style home that looks 100 years old, or a brand new contemporary. Looks hard to get with any other material. Perform Wall has been used successfully throughout the United States. This is how much concrete goes into Perform Wall. You can see why it's approved for multi-story use in all 4 seismic zones. Concrete only has to flow a short distance horizontally, and this makes Perform Wall the easy ICF to fill. Here are just a few of our projects. Residential, commercial, industrial, institutional. Perform Wall has received UL's highest fire rating, an STC rating of 50 on sound attenuation, and it is completely resistant to black mold. Radius walls are easy as well, just cut the edges. Our UL inspected plants assure highest quality product making. Perform Wall panel system is your best choice for your next residential or commercial project. The Perform Wall panel system. Freedom in design from the ground up.